Shiba Inu grabbed trillions in a buying spree by exchanging 10 cents, which should make the price clear. A popular place to trade crypto. Robinhood has kept buying more Shiba Inu tokens and now has a staggering 35 trillion of them. This strategic move comes at a time when the market is very unstable, showing how committed Robinhood is to getting a large collection of SHIBs at impressively low prices. According to data from the blockchain analytics company Acom Intelligence, Robinhood's biggest hot wallet added a staggering 877 billion SHIB tokens to its crypto holdings between August 31 and September 13. This brought its total SHIB stash to 34.96 trillion tokens, which are worth $254.5 million. SHIB is the third biggest cryptocurrency that the exchange holds, after Bitcoin and Ether. Robinhood's collecting couldn't be happening at a more interesting time. Shiba Inu, which is often called the Dogecoin killer, saw its price skyrocket to $11 on August 12, 2023. This rise happened right before the start of Shibarium Ultimate, which was a turning point for the cryptocurrency with a dog theme. This huge increase in holdings makes Robinhood a strong player in the Shiba Inu market and brings it closer to Binance, which is the current Shiba Inu custodian. Binance, a global crypto exchange giant, currently has the largest SHIB portfolio, with 42.12 trillion SHIB tokens worth about $305 million. Binance SHIB holdings also include 33.9 trillion SHIB tokens in a public bank called Binance 8, which is worth about $245 million. To put these numbers in perspective, Binance owns an amazing 7.6% of all the Shiba Inus that are in circulation. Data from the blockchain website Etherscan shows that Robinhood has a large 2% market share. Notably, the American crypto platform Crypto.com is also a big SHIB holder. It is said to hold 20% of the exchange's total reserves in SHIB, which shows how popular this dog-themed token is getting. Major platforms and large amounts of Shiba Inu tokens show that they think SHIB is a good long-term investment. Aside from that, retail investors have become more interested in the second biggest meme coin by market capitalization, and whales have moved a lot of money between wallets in the past month. Even though the Shiba Inu network is busy with whales, the price hasn't gone up to match. Since the middle of May, the price of SHIB has been stuck in a narrow sideways range as bears and bulls battle for control. Still, the price finally hit a key support level at around 7. But the price needs to get back to 8 for the trend to turn positive. Is the price of a Shiba Inu going to soar in Q4 2023? Will the price of a Shiba Inu skyrocket in Q4? How SHIB does in the last 3 months of the year will rest on a lot of different things. ChatGPT says that the AI pointed out right away that the general mood of the market is likely to have an effect. The price of cryptocurrencies is affected a lot by how investors feel. Positive news, endorsements from important people, or excitement in the community can all cause demand to rise and prices to go up. ChatGPT also thinks that the use of cryptocurrencies in the real world and relationships with different businesses could increase the demand for it, which would drive up its price. Interestingly, a community expert with the handle Shib and former agrees with this, as Crypto Potato recently revealed. He said that keeping the fees low will help get people to use the network without having a big effect on their budgets. Chat also said that changes in technology in the environment can affect the price of SHIB in the future. The Shibarium extension to Bowen Shiba change also affects how much its price is expected to rise. This could make SHIB one of the most widely used crypto assets in the months and years to come. Despite these pros, SHIB's price has gone down by 2.66% over the past week. But because the market is going up today, buyers can expect things to get better in the next few days. The market for SHIB is dominated by buyers. How far can SHIB jump? Shiba Inu's price has been strong today, even though it has dropped 2.6% in the past week and 23% in the past 30 days. The token was able to keep its price at 73 cents. At 11:20 a.m., this price is 1% higher than it was 24 hours ago. On September 15, it was 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But it's important to be careful with this positive trend because a look at its daily price chart shows resistance, which seems to go against its upward direction. This pushback could make it more likely that the price will drop soon. Some people even complain about how cheap our gas costs are, which is kind of funny. In a 24-hour period, Shiba Inu's resumed bullish run cost it 62% more tokens. The number of tokens burned by Shiba Inus went up by 62%, to over 61 million. He thinks that the slight price increase of 1.3% for Shiba Inu's calculated ignition in the constantly changing cryptocurrency market is related to the present burning activity. Shiba Inu is making plans to get back to where it used to be. A big part of its plan is to use the good momentum created by the burn rates. Shiba.com's data shows that 62 million SHIB tokens have been taken out of circulation in the last day, which is a big increase of 62%. A deep look at how SHIB burn works. At least 2 different addresses sent large amounts of SHIB tokens to a dead bank, which made this large-scale burning possible. If you have never heard of the word burn rate, it means that tokens are destroyed or taken out of circulation on purpose. This method is often used to make tokens scarce, which could increase their value in the long run. Even though the burn's instant effects aren't as clear, this strategic removal has cut the number of Shiba Inus on the market by a lot. By making things so scarce, the system makes it possible for prices to go up in the future. Validating this relationship, SHIB trading data from Coin's market cap show that its price went up by 1.3% in the same 24 hours. The growth of SHIB's environment is another important part of its financial tale. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network, which is called Shibarium, is making a lot of progress as a Layer 2. By processing transactions away from the main chain, blockchains solve the problem of scaling. Their success can often lead to a higher rate of acceptance. Shibarium's achievements, which include a rise in user activity and transaction volume, give it a new energy that can challenge the domination of other Layer 2 networks that have been around for a long time. Shiba Inu team figures out why SHIB burns are getting worse. Lucy stressed how important it was to use Shibarium, which is a Layer 2 network made for the Shiba Inu environment. She says that the key to getting more SHIB burns is to embrace Shibarium. The fast rise in its success has led to a noticeable rise in the number of bets on Bone. The altcoin is a key part of its gas fees. This information is similar to what Daily Hodl said in an online story. A sneak peek at Shibarium momentum. The Element Shibarium recent data shows that the total number of transactions has passed 2.5 million, and that the number of daily trades is just over 200,000. Thanks for coming to watch. Remember to like the movie and follow my channel. We'll talk again in the next film.